Good day, everyone. Today I'm bringing to you an open invite for a Trash to Treasure tray challenge. Here's the challenge. Make a tray with recycled or thrifted materials. You decide if you want it to be multi-tiers or a flat tray. Decorate it if you like, however, it's not required for this challenge. If you decorate your tray, feel free to use any seasonal decor. This is hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY and JunkerNecker, LEAH. That's me. Please subscribe to both host channels if you're participating in this challenge, and mention the hosts in your video. Include links to our channels and the challenge playlist in your descriptions. Title your video Trash to Treasure Tray Challenge and use the hashtag Trash to Treasure Tray. Upload your videos on July the 21st at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Here's some examples of some past Trash to Treasure trays that I've put together. Here's some made from Goodwill items. For this challenge, I'm going to be using these old, worn-out melamine plates that I have had forever. And I may throw in another flat tray. We'll see. I hope to see you in the playlist.